Hi there, students. A brainiac. A brainiac. Okay, this is a really intelligent person, a really smart person. So he's a real brainiac. He doesn't talk to anyone except for other geniuses, other eggheads, for example. Okay, so a brainiac, a mastermind, an Einstein, an intellectual, a boffin, a brain box, a clever clogs, a bright spark, a highbrow. Okay, so a brainiac is someone who is very intelligent, somebody who's normally very studious and very erudite as well. Now, you can use this word a brainiac critically. Yeah, he thinks he's some sort of brainiac. Okay, so he thinks he's a genius. Yeah, a wise guy, but also maybe a bit of a pedant. Okay, so a brainiac, a person who is exceptionally intelligent. So yeah, he's the original brainiac who finished his university degree aged 18. Okay, this is a brainiac, somebody who's really smart, a really intelligent person. Okay, so I guess you're all brainiacs at the English language if you're listening to me to do this. Okay, so I guess you have to be a brainiac to become the leader of this group. I was wondering if you need to be a brainiac to become prime minister, but no, I think you probably need other characteristics, and intelligence isn't one of them. I think it's probably lack of morals and other things like that. Okay, so he was a brainiac who liked to spend his time in a secluded place away from everyone else. Okay, so no, less technical talk, brainiac. Yeah, because the way you're explaining this is much more complex than I can understand. He's such a brainiac, he'd rather spend all night thinking about a complicated problem than actually go to sleep. Okay, so he's a brainiac. They used to have a competition, they probably still do, called Mastermind. And to be the winner of Mastermind, you really needed to be a brainiac, a really smart, intelligent person. Okay, so let's see, formality, brainiac. This is informal. I think I'd give this 3.5, maybe 4 in formality. Using an informal conversation, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, maybe just. And as to origin, well, it's a mixture of the words brain and maniac. This word brainiac was first coined in a Superman comic in the late 50s. But I think in this, Brainiac was a mastermind who was Superman's enemy, and Superman had to overcome the Brainiac. So I think maybe Superman should be a bit of a brainiac as well. But Brainiac was some evil adversary. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A brainiac. I'm sure you're all brainiacs out there.